Laboratory 4 about digital signal amplitude transformation. So from before, the time was transformed, but here's the amplitude. Okay, so we have here the amplitude transformation, such as the amplification, attenuation, and inversion. So let's see the difference of each. Okay, so as usual, I've imported the numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so I've assigned the variables for n. We have here the 0, so up to 19, and with the unit step of 1. For the x is sine 0.3 times pi times n. Okay, so first is that the original signal will be displayed, named as original signal, of course. So next is for the amplified. Okay, as I have here the three amplitude transformations. So x for amplified, you're just going to multiply the x by 2, and for the attenuated is it will be divided it by 2, and for the inverted, of course, you will be multiplying it by -1, just the inversion of the x. Okay, so figure size. Okay, so here instead of showing it one by one, what I did here is that this will be shown in one frame only. Okay, so you'll see the difference of the three. Okay, so for the subplot, so subplot means that the certain signal will be displayed in one area of the whole figure. Okay, so here this will display at 1, while for the subplot, this will be in the middle, and last is, of course, in the third part, in the third row. Okay, so this stands just basically the color of the signals. Okay, so for the x label, it's n, and for the y label, it's x. And finally, will be solution. So let's see. Okay, so you can see this is the original signal, and this are the signals. So here the amplified, as you can see here, the amplified, the signal, the amplitude goes taller. So from 0 to 2, 0 to -2. While for the attenuated, it became smaller, the amplitude. So from 2 or from 1, it became 0.5. Of course, the half of 1 is 0.5. So the amplitude just goes smaller. Okay, and for the inverted, so instead that the signal will start at from 0, 1, it became inverted. Okay, so the amplitude was supposed to be inverted. So that's all for the laboratory 4. Thank you.